And you know where the leftover nyoma ye di Christmas ye mu bebre ye nyoma hye fridge mu ye hu de ye enti we ye ebia o veggie sandwich bi ana pizza topping bi so anya de bia na ye di meat to be so di meat abetu di meat ni bi aka ho ebia o fie na ahwe me we ye courgette ana so wo obaje na e ya to obetu ni so so we ye red bell pepper ba ko na ni me bell peppers na me twitwa.
Yeah, that's.
I told them I made the cabbage. I can't be a menu will change. So, and to me, so me oven. No matter me, I will just but me roasty. Me roasting temperature say only a year oven, and one say or frying pan or high heat. Now the olive oil and I say any cooking oil be I prefer be a good. So away mild cheddar a mixed one until the open beer fair sliced cheese obetum there a burger cheese and I say beer. Okay. And see no me de oil kakra be an me so leftover be a kawahase. Now they are and fancy be anka aha what den chin kan be extract into your war virgin in fact and chin be anka no aka ni na afa then yeah ni na kese bigger sizes but we class smaller bottle kitwe mine say yeah to taste. Now they are shame. Then you goose you now I over stay. So Fanching be a good point away. There was a problem the texture fine. My yes to see. And to know where here normally nka we nka was ajo so but because I have life in and I make it try to make and to know the cheese, you know. So I'm not a crabby and good. Or bread nasty. Or veg. When we had a plain one, maybe sardine and sherry into a plain, okay? Mine see here. Cheese in it, any opening here. No, we will be a pan. The cheese cracker. To do the one now see I found sardine brass and me come on I found sardine day I need day now do veggies with the now the cheese no the cheese now on the day I finished a barbeto warm. Now melting like this. If I set a warm through, I bear cheese in it. If I set a best share, I will not. I am a girl, not in the evening. However,
Supper, baby.
oh, not in John.
Oh, in a one, you chong.
Come on, near aircon.
So prepared.
A healthy. Okay, now the bread and that's so. Obi how on pack crossing one chamber sometimes and your big baby ass. Hey, there's any feeling the cameraman. Me no bako.
Wako open pool.
Yeah, was here in Europe.
Yeah, bako. That's right.
And then I am also. When your friend of Amisha was
that's what I was on Kakaka now or Coco. Man, make a crack. A shall say, yeah, nothing but to cry.
So, nice way you pro idea. Hey! I was saying, I'm in Coco. Fat.
Let me catch up.
Instead of set toasty type now.
That's right.
No, then you're soft and moist. Mam put them a children. Oh, be a catcher. Young man put them children.
In your
no one I
Bodo.
There be wire crunching inside. Wire soft. Then what? Natural day. BBR with ye. Here we are in Damo. Yes. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Yes, perfect. We are perfect. Aish. Oh, look at that. Look at that. See, this is my banana. Won't baby be too heavy. Look at that. Yes, shit. Patch up, camera noise.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Yeah, come on.
I am sexy.
Sound. Like the video in the mind, hey, a simple platter for a Saturday night. Na hwɛ m'anim ha. Say your spices no, I akɛse o. Ebia wa won't pay attention. Say na net is say a double in size. Price nso dey. Sir, ye all purpose no enso nie. Odi yam kwan for ye odi season na bibia ekoyi ankasa. Ye mid season enso nie. Me say aye kama